Everyone, it's Thomas and the Magic Railroad fan here, and today we got a huge unboxing. We got 3 packages, and we got a big one. So, without further ado, let's get started with the smallest one first. As you can probably see, I'm pretty bad at opening things wrapped in bubble wrap. So here we have the Sodor Bay tugboat, and this is really nice. I actually kind of wanted this for a while. Yeah, it's very simplistic, but that's what one railway's point was meant to be. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Okay, let's get on to the next one. Oh yeah, I am also pretty bad at opening packages sometimes. So, here we have an Emily. This one says it is from 2001, but the tender is 2003. Interesting. Now, I already have Emily, but I have a CGI one. Yeah, some people don't like Emily, but she's cool, you know? I like Emily. Now, let's get to the final one, which I'm really excited for. Oh yeah, and I already cut the tape before I brought the box in here, just so I could see if it was mine or not. By the way, that part was not a voiceover, that was actually my real voice and part of the raw footage, but this part of my voice is a voiceover, just so you know. Hold on a second. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's the Sodor Signal House. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, I'll stop. Man, it's really dirty. But here's the real reason why I ordered this. Yep, here it is. It is the Wooden Railway Tidmouth Sheds. And now, it is missing one of the guardrails here, but I don't need those. Here, this was $79, which is a good deal because these usually go for like 100 to like 150. So, yeah, here it is in all of its glory. Well, everyone, this is everything that I got in those packages. Thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.